Binignit by Bisaya recipe-Filipino-cuisine. Hello there, fellow food lovers. Are you ready to dive into the world of Filipino cuisine and whip up a delicious, soul-warming treat? Today, we're talking about the delightful Bisaya-style binignit, a traditional dessert brimming with flavors and textures that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. What is Binignit Bisaya? Let's start by unwrapping what the heck Binignit is. Binignit, pronounced bee-nig-nit, is a rich, creamy, and satisfying Filipino dessert soup. Imagine a medley of flavors and textures: sweet root crops, chewy tapioca pearls, velvety banana, hints of jackfruit, all swimming in a luscious coconut milk base. Each spoonful is an explosion that will take you to tropical paradise. The Bisaya-style binignit specifically originates from the Visayan region of the Philippines and is known for its festive mix of ingredients. A festive Filipino favorite. Binignit is often associated with the Christian season of Lent and is especially popular during Holy Week. However, don't let that fool you, this dessert is loved year-round. Whether as a heartwarming snack or a sweet ending to a Filipino feast, Binignit is always a crowd pleaser. Unleash your inner culinary genius. Ready to create some Binignit magic in your kitchen? Let's break down the ingredients and get cooking. Here's what you'll need. Root crops. 1 medium sweet potato, camote, peeled and cubed. 1 medium taro root, gabi, peeled and cubed. Half cup purple yam, ube, peeled and cubed. Fruits. 2 ripe saba bananas, sliced. 1 cup ripe jackfruit, lanka, sliced. Glutinous rice balls, bilo-bilo. Half cup glutinous rice flour. 1/4 cup water. Sweeteners. 3/4 cup brown sugar, or adjust to your liking. Other essentials. 4 cups coconut milk. 2 cups water. 1 cup sago pearls, tapioca pearls. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Yield, this recipe will generously serve 6 to 8 people. The magic of preparation. Now, let's get this show on the road. Follow these steps, and you'll be enjoying a bowl of homemade binignit in no time. Bring on the coconut. In a large pot, combine the coconut milk and water. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Root crop extravaganza. Add your cubed sweet potato, taro root, and purple yam. Let them simmer until slightly tender, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Fruity fun, toss in your sliced saba bananas and jackfruit. Keep simmering for another 5 minutes. Sugar rush, sweeten the deal with brown sugar. Stir and let the flavors mingle. Tapioca time, add the sago pearls and continue cooking until they become translucent. Bilo-bilo formation, in a small bowl, combine the glutinous rice flour and water, mixing until a smooth dough forms. Roll the dough into small balls, about the size of marbles, and drop them into the pot. Cook until they float to the surface. Final touches. Give everything a good stir and let it simmer for a couple more minutes to allow the flavors to meld perfectly. Serving suggestions. Binignit is fantastic served warm or chilled, totally your call. Get creative with toppings, a light drizzle of coconut cream, a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes, or even a dollop of your favorite ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Tips for the perfect binignit. Fresh is best, opt for the freshest ingredients you can find. It makes all the difference. Tapioca tip, to prevent clumping, rinse your sago pearls before adding them to the pot. Customize it, this recipe is a fantastic base. Add your favorite ingredients like plantains, cassava, or even squash. Make ahead magic. Binignit tastes even better the next day as the flavors intensify. Friends, I hope you've enjoyed this culinary adventure into the world of Binignit Bisaya. Let the sweet aromas fill your kitchen and let this warm, comforting Filipino dessert transport you to a place of pure joy. If you're hungry for more recipe inspiration and cooking tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your taste buds will thank you.